welcome back to another video. How you guys doing today? If you're new, my name is Sandra and I'd love you guys to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also hit the post notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to be doing a video on my brows. And if you guys would like to know how I do them, then continue watching. Alright love, so I'm going to start off by using my Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal in the shade Darkest Brown, or Darkest Brunette, but Darkest Brown. That's what it looks like. So I just start off by outlining the shape of my brow. Like so. And I'll do the same thing to this side. My brows are shaped. And before I fill them in, I'm gonna outline it with my concealer and foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer and Tarte Shade Tape to the bottom of my outlining. Like so. Now you see it went over a little bit. That's the reason why I fill it in afterwards, because I suck at doing my brows all the time and they don't always come out perfect. And I'll go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. So I start from the tail. Going in with my spoolie. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. And then spoolie. So after I clean my brows out on the bottom, I go in with my foundation to outline the top of my brow so it can blend with the rest of my face. So the foundation I am using today is the Fenty Beauty Foundation in the shade 255. fart. So I grab my brush, dip brow real quick. This is why I don't like outlining my brows. I'm supposed to be trying to clean it up, not mess it up some. So just go back in real quick, fix that mistake. Go back in my sponge and blend that out. And then I'll do the same thing to this side. For some reason it looks like the go back in with my okay. Fix that mistake again and going back in with my sponge. So that's how my brows would look like afterwards. But then I'll go in one more time before I... So I've been trying a new like brow gel, but I've been loving it so far, so I'm gonna use the rest of it before I buy another one. But it's the Gimmie Brow by Benefit. Go in with that and just set my brows real quick. They're not twins, by the way. They're sisters. So they don't look even as always. So I'm just following the shape of my brow. But this is what they look like. And if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and a comment what else you guys would like to see on my channel. I would love for you guys to turn on your post notifications on so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I don't have a set schedule of when I am posting videos, but every chance I get I'll just start putting them out, but soon I'll know when. But other than that, thank you for watching. Bye.